Hello, this is Virendra. Beloved friends, today I want to share with all of you the secret of success. As Swami Vivekananda told, arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. For this, we have to put one idea in the mind. We have to commit to that idea, and we have to struggle on it with a lot of patience, and definitely one day the sun of success is going to rise for us. In this connection, one of the greatest entrepreneur and successful person, Steve Jobs, defined the success story of a person. Once we want to be successful, we should love the job we are doing. We should be passionate. We should be pushing. We should be enjoying what we are doing. Because the great goals needs great determination, great daring, great persistence, perseverance, and we have to perspire a lot, and we have to meet with a lot of failures, lot of disadvantages, disappointments, obstacles, impediments, hurdles. And what happens if we don't have the courage, the daring and the will to persist? Most of the time the people quit. They give up. They abandon. And in that connection, Chanakya told, when you are going to start a work, try to think why you are going to do that job. Will you be successful? And after a lot of counseling, if you are confident that that is going to be very fruitful, then stick to it. Never abandon. And you are going to be successful. Keep on trying. Also, once you have decided to do something, you should learn from a lion to put all your effort, wholeheartedly, with total commitment, with total dedication, and with an attitude to do and die. Dear friends, success does not depend on a leader. Success also depends on the team, the people surrounding you. One of the great successful person, a businessman, an industrialist, an entrepreneur, and a philanthropist, Andrew Carnegie, one of the richest men in the world, when he died, it was written on an epitaph, "Here lies a man who was able to surround himself with men far cleverer than himself." Dear friends, to be successful, you should have all the resources: money, manpower, infrastructure, and all the basic need for the particular job. But the infrastructure and all are important, but the most important becomes the human resources. What Henry Ford told, take away my all wealth, take away everything else, but don't take away my manpower. And I can assure you, within a few years, I can again achieve my total empire. So here the significance of your team is very, very important. A teamwork, whatever great you may be, but success will always elude you unless you have a wonderful team besides all your resources. At this particular moment, I will try to emphasize that success comes only when you are having a lot of patience to continue. We must know the story of the Chinese bamboo tree. When a Chinese bamboo tree is created, it takes 5 years of long time to just start sprouting. Before that, the seed is sown, manure and water is being put to it. But months passed, years passed, and more years passed, until it becomes 5 years, then it start coming up. In that particular period, this plant is growing inside the soil and creating the foundation, the very strong root on which the rapid growth will be sustained. And within 6 months it becomes 100 feet. Dear friends, patience is very, very important. Perseverance is very, very important. And persistence is also equally important. And then success can be guaranteed. Here I am going to share with you some of the famous success quotes which depends on the basic ingredients of success. That is patience, persistence and perspiration. If you want to get something, you have to know where you want to go and how to get there. Then never, never, never give up. It's not whether you get knocked down, it's whether you get up again. Great chances may not happen right away, but with effort, even the difficult may become easy. Whenever you get knocked down in the game of life, immediately get up, get better, and get going again. Success means to be connected to action. Successful people keep moving. They make mistakes, but they don't quit. Difficulties strengthen the mind as well as labor does the body. Formula for success: rise early, work hard, strike while. Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. Never giving up and pushing forward will unlock all the potential we are capable of. The greatest results in life are usually attained by simple means and the exercise of ordinary qualities. These may, for the most part, be summed up in these two: common sense and perseverance. Water continuously dropping will wear hard rocks hollow. It will be perseverance, difference between failure and success. Try not to do too many things at once. Know what you want. The number one thing today and tomorrow. Persevere and get it done. Patience and perseverance have a magical effect before which difficulties disappear and obstacles vanish. Great works are performed not by strength but by perseverance. The secret of success is constantly to purpose. Impatience never commanded success. Success is a good fortune that comes from aspiration, desperation, perspiration, and inspiration. Success is a sum of small efforts, repeatedly, day in and day out. Love never fails, character never quits, and with patience and persistence, dreams do come true. Flashing enthusiasm, backed up by horse sense and persistence, is the quality that most frequently makes for success. Patience, persistence, and perspiration makes an unbeatable combination of success. Satisfaction does not come with achievement, but with effort. Full effort is full victory. Most of the important things in the world have been accomplished by people who have kept on trying when there seemed to be no help at all. Our greatest glory consists not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Dear friends, we must remember failures are the pillars of success. Keep going, keep moving. Ultimately, victory is yours. Once Winston Churchill told, we are still masters of our fate and we are still captain of our soul. So the power of soul, the immortal power, manifestations of your willpower, inculcating the daring and determination will definitely lead to success. Thanks for watching the video.